Welcome to the BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to take some Oreo cookies, cream cheese, and dark chocolate, and we're going to turn it into something really fun. So let's get started. So into my food processor, I'm going to put in all of my Oreo cookies. Now the box that I'm using is 300 grams. Don't worry about the grams. I'm using 27 cookies. I'm going to start loading all of these into my food processor. So there we have it, 27 cookies. I'm going to get my lid on. And now I'm just going to start pulsing these until they turn into a nice crumb. Okay, that looks really good. I'll just show you what this looks like. So it's all broken down into really fine pieces. So that's step number one. Now we're going to switch over to a mixing bowl. For our next step, I've placed my cream cheese into a large bowl. This is 250 grams of cream cheese, about 9 ounces. And I'm just going to start breaking this down. Now my cream cheese has been sitting out for a couple of hours. It's at room temperature. Just makes it a little bit easier. Okay, that's good. Then we're going to grab our Oreo cookie crumbs and just dump them all in. I'm just going to start slowly incorporating this. So I don't suggest that you use anything faster than speed 1, otherwise it's going to fly out of your bowl. So just take your time and just mix until well combined. Okay, about a minute of mixing, and that looks good. I'm just going to increase my mixer here just to get everything off. And that's perfect. For our next step, I have a tray with a little bit of parchment paper. If you don't have parchment, you can use a little silicone mat like I do underneath. I just put that there just to show you. So you have a couple of options. I'm going to go with the parchment paper. I have a little cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, and now I'm just going to start scooping up my batter, and I really want to make this compressed, so get it right up against the side and give it a really good squeeze. You can even take your thumb and just push it in there, make sure that it's really compact, and then right onto your little sheet, just like that. Give it a little push. You just want to have these really condensed. And then right on. So I'm going to continue on doing these, and I'll be back in a minute. And my last one. So these have to chill for about 1 hour. I'm going to do that now, and then we're going to come back for our final step where we're going to dip them in dark chocolate. So what I have over here is a dark chocolate. This is 72% cocoa. And whenever you have a really high quality chocolate, you can tell just by how liquid it is. It's very liquidy. I'll just show you. And it's really nice. So now I'm going to coat these, and then we're going to get them out onto our parchment paper. So you don't want to leave them in too long. Let's give it a little bit of a tap. And then right onto the parchment paper. I'm just going to use some tweezers to just slide it off. And there we have it. Oh, that looks good. I'll just get my chocolate into view so you can see it. We'll just get our little fork underneath. So I get them in like that. Pull it out. And the one that I just did is already almost 100% solid as well. Just give it a little tap. Get my tweezers. And try not to move it as you drop it down, because you don't want to have too much pooling around the edges. So that looks kind of nice like that, nice and clean. And look, just in the few seconds that I've talked, you can see how fast the chocolate is setting up. And that is because the cookie is cold. And then right onto our parchment. Gonna have a little bit of sea salt here. So you have to work quickly. So you want to dip one and then get that sea salt on right away before your chocolate sets. There we go. I want to cut into one and show you what these look like inside. But showing you doesn't even come close to what they taste like. You're gonna take one bite of one of these and you're gonna fall in love with them. And they're so easy to make, as you saw me do it today. That nice little crunch from that dark chocolate. Look at this. Let me turn this around. Look at that. Amazing. If you want to give these a little bit of a holiday twist, instead of putting the sea salt on top, you could crush candy canes and drizzle some of those on the top. Another really nice alteration to this recipe is to add a little bit of mint extract. It goes extremely well with this recipe. I'll just cut into... Of course, I'm going to have to try another one of these. So good. I don't know how to best describe these. You get that nice crunch from the dark chocolate on the outside, that little bit of sea salt. And then inside, it's just like a dream. It's super creamy. You taste the Oreo and you taste that cream cheese, and both of those combined, it tastes like cheesecake. It is so good. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. So that's it for today's really fast and fun video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.